Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of Canon 3000D. A few moments ago I received it through the courier and I'm going to unbox it for you. Let's unbox. The packet seems it is neatly packed and it will take some time to unbox it, as can be seen here. As I told you, it has been very neatly packed. I am pretty excited about this. I have been planning to buy a DSLR for quite some time now, and now that it had come, I am, should I say, well, it is just like having your first DSLR, and it is really an exciting moment. As viewers can easily understand that I have been working on the unbox. Yes, here it opens. I'll have to cut that part as well, the tape, so that I can open it. Yes, it has got opened. Here you see it is packed in a bag. Let's bring out the packet from the, yes, so now the box is empty. There's a bill there. I will look at it later on. So here you have got the bag. It seems the camera bag is over there and the original product is beneath it, just beneath it. Now I'll have to rip it off so that I can, yes. These bubble wraps, I love bubble wraps. Not only because it protects things that are there inside, but it also, it reminds me of my childhood days when I used to play a lot with the bubble wraps, kind of. So there comes the bag. This is a bag, a simple camera bag. Not a heavy-duty camera bag. Yours written, as you can see over there. A simple camera bag. We'll look at it later on. So here's US 2000 the packet. Now I'm going to unwrap it once again, so that I can look into what is there on the back, on the packet. So here it is, Canon US 3000D. Now I like to cut off the quick seal. Yes. Yes. I think I've done it. Here it is. Canon as a product is doing fine, as a camera product is doing fine, along with its competitor Nikon. I've chosen this because I told you it is my first. Yes, it is my first DSLR, I told you. So here you go. In quite a bit of time. Here. So here you are. Once you open it, we find the quick guidance booklet. It is called Rebel T100 in other countries. In Asia, it is known as EOS 2000D. So we'll look into the manual later on. So after the manual, you get the straps, the Canon strap. The Canon strap to hold, to keep your camera. There it is. Then you get the 16 GB Kingston 16 GB card. Then you get the warranty and workshop complimentary workshop letter, and then a booklet on the Canon detailed Trinity, and it is also the warranty card. Okay. You got the battery here. The battery. And then it is a battery charging card. And then you get the battery charger over here, the charger port. In it, obviously it will be the 1855 lens, and here comes the body, the camera body. It comes with a bubble wrap again, and there you are, the camera. So the first view, the back view of the camera, and then you get the front view with the lens cover on. This is the knob which is used to set its different programs, the manual program, the programmable mode, and the different modes and different settings. That is the settings knob. And here you got the flash, and here you got the power. This is the power switch. It has got its own display. The display is not movable. It's a fixed display, and there is a view, and it is a viewfinder. And these buttons are used to navigate through different. The main button is here. It is a display button is here. AF control is there, and different modes can be set through it. Taking it in hand, I find it is not that heavy, it's light, though it feels a lot like a plastic, because primarily it is plastic. But then again, it is sturdy, it is handy more than anything else. And so, that is it. I will do some more videos after I start capturing photos using my newly bought camera, that is Canon 3000D. I hope to buy some few of the lenses, let's see, and attachments, and then I will do probably a few more videos on that. So far so good. Happy viewing my channel. Please subscribe the channel, and you will get more information about this product in the links below. And happy photographing. Thank you.